Hi everyone, welcome to Createwithmanna. This is my first video on YouTube and I'm super excited to share these little creative moments with you all. So today I'm making a tiny plant using simple recycled materials and just some other materials I have around my workspace. Well, I love creating miniatures because they remind me to slow down, breathe and enjoy the small details. So today we're making use of a small plastic, masking tape, acrylic paint, top bond. I have my scissors here as well, and a small foam for the soil. So watch me while I create this. So as you can see, I'm already prepping my material. I have my top bond here because I always love whatever I do. I always love it to be a lasting product, you understand? So I wouldn't want a situation whereby after a week or two my mini plant would detach on its own. So that's why I always make sure I use my top bond. So as you can see here, I'm already prepping, placing my soil in the pot, in the mini pot of course, and this is acrylic paint. This is a darker shade of brown for the soil. Then I have a lighter shade of brown for the soil too, because you have to merge the colors to make it come alive. I love whenever I'm working, I love making sure that my work comes alive one way or the other, no matter the material I'm using. So as you can see here, I'm already placing my paint on the soil, trying to make it look real. And of course, I'm definitely going to beautify my flower pot. So this is me here, painting my flower pot color white. I just want to use color white because I want it to be exceptional and neutral. So trying to paint it very well, making sure everywhere is covered with paint. Okay, so this particular part, guys, like I said, I love using recycled materials. I don't know why, but I don't like trashing things, especially when I know that I can recycle it. So why would you trash it? So this is me using my Ragolis, the empty water can, for the stem. And I have my masking tape here, guys. Just watch and see what I'm going to do with this. Okay guys, so this is the final result of our mini plants. Thank you all for watching and being here at the very first beginning of Create with Manna. If you'd like to see more cozy creations, please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a very kind word in the comment section. Thank you all. I am so grateful. Bye bye.